Do you have elbow pain when you're playing pickleball? Hi, my name is Sean Weatherston, and I'm a pickleball junkie with more than 20 years of experience as a physical therapist, and I'm also the owner of Altitude Physical Therapy with clinics in Nampa and Caldwell, Idaho. My goal is to help you prevent and treat common pickleball aches and pains using good science and research-based ideas to avoid things like medications, injections, and surgery. Today, we're going to talk about tennis elbow or pickleball elbow. Now, usually, most commonly, this is pain on the outside of your elbow right here. Usually it's noticeable when you grip your paddle really tight. Maybe you're trying a top spin shot or a kill shot, or after you've been playing for a longer period of time. Usually this is going to be the result of a change in your normal habits. So beginners who start playing and they haven't been doing much before, they start playing a lot, they can develop the pain. Also, maybe you're a more experienced player and you start playing a lot. Once you get the pickleball bug, you start playing for more hours in the day or more days a week or both, you can start to develop these symptoms. Usually what you'll notice first is that the pain starts to bother you after you stopped. So you're done at the court, you go to pick up your water bottle or turn a doorknob and you get the pain on the outside of your elbow and your forearm. It can progress to the point where you have pain a lot of the time or constantly. You have a hard time doing things around the house like dishes or keyboarding or even snapping or zipping, and it can wake you up at night when you try and pull the covers up, that sort of thing. Basic treatment ideas revolve around two different things. One is we need to reduce the amount of stress that you're putting on your elbow, and then adding in some easy stretching exercises to help those stretched out muscles and tissues calm down and stay mobile. An example of an easy stretch that you can do would be to just push your wrist down, start with your elbow bent. That might be enough to get a gentle pull in there. We're not looking for pain. We just want a gentle, easy stretch here, okay? Hold that for several seconds and you can repeat that throughout the day. If you get to the point where you're not feeling a stretch in that area, then you can gradually start to straighten that elbow out. The more you straighten your elbow out with that hand pushed down, the more of a stretch you're getting in there. So start with it easy and you can progress to where you're starting to get a little bit more of a pull in there. An advanced treatment idea, once it's calmed down, is doing some specific strengthening exercises. If it's bothering you constantly, I don't recommend doing the strengthening yet. We need to calm it down by reducing the amount of stress that you're putting on it and starting with the stretches. Once it starts to feel a little bit better, then you can start to do these exercises. There are a bunch of them out there. One that we commonly recommend is to grab a weight or a soup can, something like that, rest your arm on something, and basically you're going to cock your wrist up like that and then gradually let that down. So as you control that weight down, you're going to be putting some more stress on those muscles, and start off doing 10 or 15 of those with a nice slow descent like that, and you progress to where you're doing several sets like that. Again, don't do this if it's really cranky and really irritable. You're going to want things to calm down a little bit before you try the strengthening exercises. Hopefully that gives you some ideas of some things you can do to help treat that nagging elbow pain. If you have additional questions or want a video on a certain topic, please leave us a comment. Those of you in the Treasure Valley who would like some more help and treatment can click on our profile for the information on how to be seen by one of our awesome physical therapists. And lastly, more videos are always in the works. Please hit that like, follow, or subscribe button to make sure you have access to all of our latest updates and videos.